Hello everyone, welcome to Cloud Patashala video series where the mysteries of Linux and various cloud technologies are unlocked and the secrets of its commands revealed to you. So let's embark on a thrilling journey through the world of Linux fundamentals. With every step, we delve deeper into the heart of Linux, uncovering powerful commands that will make you a master of the command line. In this episode, we would be discussing htop. The htop command is an interactive program that monitors system resources and server processes in real time. It is available in most Linux distributions and can be installed using different package managers. Compared to the top command, htop has many improvements and additional features such as mouse operations and visual indicators. To use it, run the following commands. You could say htop. We could also use some options. Options are -d shows the delay between the updates in 10th of a second. -C would give you a no color monochromatic view of the output. -h would display the help message and exit. Let's look at the practical for this. For this, I would be going into my Ubuntu server that's running on my virtual machine. I'll say htop, and this would give you a better visually helpful way of looking at the stuff. So if you see, my CPU is just hovering around 1 to 1.5%. The memory is bit consumed. We have consumed about 165 megabytes of memory out of 1.9, that is 2 GB allocated to it. The swap is also very less, and we also have a list of IDs that you already have. And with the mouse, I could also figure out and point out the resources, and I could also get into individual things like this. So I could also go into filters using the function F4 commands and stuff like that, and this would take me to a lot of other things. When compared to the top command, the top command gives you a very holistic picture of an old school way of showing you the resource utilization. This also shows the exact same things, but htop command would give you a very pictorial representation of how this can be seen on a very good manner. So you could also select memory, and this would actually give you a list of all the filters using the memory which is using most of the memory. You could also filter using which is using most of the CPU. Similarly, you could just filter out using the process IDs or the user who is executing it and stuff like that. You could also filter out services which are running from the very beginning. So as you see, the root, the process ID 1, which is the first process ID which is actually started when a Linux server comes up, is the one which is running for the most amount of time. So this is about the htop command. That's it for this video, guys. I hope you like this short and quick video. If you're not subscribed to the channel yet, request you to hit the subscribe button, which would encourage us to make more videos like this. Thank you so much for watching. Keep having a great day. Thank you. Bye-bye.